Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Are you passionate to read some best-selling books that are mind-blowing, but you cannot afford to read these books? So today I'm gonna show you how to download these books that are free. Yes, you heard it, free! So if you follow my videos until the end of this video, I'm gonna show you 2 easy websites that you can easily download these books and read them, and it will change kind of your mindset. So I have also 3 lists of the books that I have read these books myself, and I think they are very amazing. They are mind-blowing. So in this video, I'm gonna show you what are those books and how to download them and in which website. So follow me. The first thing we are gonna do is to easily just open Google and write PDF and drive.com. So you go to the page, as you see is the same. You go to the page here, and the first book that I have read is, and I really think is amazing, is Rich Dad, Poor Dad. So when we put that, it will come here a list of these kind of books, how many pages they are, and which year they are published. So you can just click on this one easily. And when you click, it has here download. You can also preview it and you see if you like the pages. And here you download it and then you wait until it comes. So we wait a little bit. We can wait. It's fine. Here there are 2 ways. It's like in EPUB, when you have Kindle, you can download it, or Mobi, or also PDF. So we want to download it PDF. That is the best way if you want to read from computer or desktop. And then it comes here. So you have the whole book, it's 241, and yes, this is actually amazing book. The second way I want to show you, that was our first book, and that also have read it. So the second way is that we go and write Library Genesis, as you see here. Just click on that, and then comes here, it's like libgen.le. So you go here and write the book. So the second book I am amazed by is the 4-hour work week. So you click on that. Yes, and you see here also it's the list of the books that come. So I will go to, I will just choose the first one, and no, I don't think it's this one. We go, I think, it is this one. So what we do, exactly, just click on the book here and wait until it comes. Yes, and then here it is like get. You just click on that and it comes the PDF. So you just open the PDF and there you are. You have a whole page. You can read. It's 279. So the good thing is that it has also, it's like, no, I thought it's like kind of links, but this is amazing book. You can read. The second book you can the third book you can read, or you should, or it's recommended to read, is the Awaken the Giant Within, Tony Robbins, and he is amazing coach. So yes, it is this one. You just easily click on that and get it. So when you open it, there is, and these books are best-selling books. So these are like very easy. You can download them for free, or you can also try your own list of books if you have, and see if you can find them. So these 3 ways are amazing, and I am like reading 5 to 6 books per month, which is very good for self-development, and I think everyone needs to do that. So if you liked it, click on the like, and if you have any question, or if there is any problem with that, just write your question, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you until next week. See you and have a nice day. Bye. Mwah.